Hi YouTube, here's my Hoover Turbopower Freedom total system. It was Hoover's top of the line Turbopower of 1991, 1992, that kind of time. And just a quick disclaimer, by the way, I've had to film the first part of the demo in my kitchen because that's the only place the lighting's good, because it's really cloudy today. Oh well, and also if I sound a bit miserable, it's because I've got a cough, so that's probably why I sound a bit croaky. But anyway, with all that said, here it is. It's a very rare cleaner now. I mean, Turbopowers are quite difficult to find as they are at the moment, so to have a Freedom is really good. My friend Michael, or Vacuum Dude 123, bought me this for Christmas, because he already got one, and then he spotted this one on eBay that was listed under some strange title, so he bought me this because he said if he saw one he'd get it me. So thank you very much for that, Michael. Anyway, this is the Permabag model. So normally a Turbopower has a hinging bag door, but this one just lifts straight off, and this is what it looks like. A little sticker telling you how to empty it and clean the filter. So basically what you do once you've unclipped it, you're supposed to wiggle, if I can do it, wiggle this thing that says clean filter, and it's supposed to shake the filter inside and tap the dust off, and it works a little bit, but it doesn't really do much. This is all sealed around here. Well, to a degree it still leaks, as you can see, but it seals in a way that it blows all the air out of that vent there, because normally Turbopowers blow the air all the way around the bag compartment, but as this has just got a filter, it blows it out of that little grill there. But anyway, like I said, you just wiggle that thing, and then you press that thing that says push, and you press that in, and then this piece comes off that has your mesh filter and your paper filter, and then here's your Permabag box. You probably can't really see in there, but it is empty, and it has a little handle on it. Just tip it straight into the bin. So yeah, and then this unclips like that, and any larger particles stick to that and stop bits of fluff and hair sticking to this filter, and then the fine dust gets trapped in this filter and then goes past the air freshener and then goes back into the room. Now this filter's not brilliant, it's alright I suppose, just as good as a paper bagged one, but it does clog a lot more. And the way how it works is this piece here, as the dust is blown into the Permabag, it hits this, and that channels the air down into that box, and then the air circulates back up, and any large particles hit this mesh, get stuck to it, and then the dusty air goes through this filter and then back into the room. So yeah, obviously once you've emptied it, it just clips back on, which will probably be nigh on impossible to do with one hand. Like that. There we go. So like I said, it does leak quite a bit, as you can see there. Probably see the mark it left. It does leak a bit of dust inside, but you know, for a bagless system from 1991, I suppose it's not too bad. Yeah, so it was top of the line, so it's got onboard tools, bag full indicator, 2-speed motor, like I said, the air freshener and the headlight. So yeah, it does have all of its tools. Upholstery tool, dusting brush, which is pretty much brand new, crevice tool, which also doesn't show much sign of use, hose, and extension wand. Always awkward to get in. There we go. Now this one does lean, as you can see. Oh wow. And it's missing, well, the cord hook piece there snapped off. But oh well. I'll show you the date thing. Probably won't be able to read it, so I'll read it for you. It says model U2662, and there it says U2662 112, which means December 1991. So it's quite an it'll be one of the first, I imagine. So I don't know what month they started making them, but you know. Well, anyway, there you go. That's the top of the line Hoover Turbopower Freedom bagless one. So in the next demo bit, I'll be showing you the showing you it in action. So see you then, I suppose. That's the belt rubbing against the sole plate. Anyway, it does have a few rattles and things that the Turbopower's all suffered with, but you know, not too bad. But decent vacuum cleaner. Not great if you have a lot of dirt, as it clogs up easily. But you know, show you what we've picked up, if anything. I don't know why I'm bothering doing that. Whoops. Drop the mesh off it. A little bit there. Didn't pick up much. I've already vacuumed today, but you know, there you go. And terrible camera work there, but there is my Hoover Turbopower Freedom from 1991. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great new year. Bye.